Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a mystery box unboxing, and no, it's not from Echo Park, but it's from Country Craft Creations. I'm so excited to open up this box and see what goodies are inside. You guys know I love my mystery boxes, and Country Craft Creations has really good ones as well, and they usually sell out so fast, so I'm happy I was able to get one. And funny story, I mean, it's not that funny actually, but I had my timer set like on my calendar to remind myself to get a box. And at the time that my timer and alarm went off, I had my phone inside. I was out in the garden and babe turned it off. I had no idea, and comes outside. He was gonna tell me that, and he had forgot to tell me that my timer was going off, and we're just chilling in the garden. And then I come inside and I see a text from Tiffany saying the Country Craft Creations boxes are out. And I'm so glad she texted me because I didn't even know my timer went off, and babe forgot to tell me after he turned it off. So otherwise I would not have gotten one if it wasn't for Tiffany texting me. So thank you, Tiffany, for letting me know. So that's so great. So I'm excited to see what's inside here, and you guys are gonna see with me. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Also, I think the Echo Park boxes are $50 and free shipping. These ones are $60 and you have to pay for shipping, which for me was $8.95. We're gonna see what's in here. And I do see some vintage paper collections, but they're from Simple Stories. I wonder if there's any like exclusive Country Craft Creations papers in here. There should be some Echo Park in here as well. And I'm just covering this up because there's a code there for $5 for my next purchase. So I don't want to give that away. And especially because I don't know if the code is like a one-time use only, so I don't know. All right. Woo, okay, we got some goodies. I see some fall papers. All right, I don't want to go through all of it. I mean, I do, but I want to go in bits and pieces so we could all see it together. All right, so this is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Dear Santa. We have some layered chipboard pieces. These are cute. Great to decorate. Oh, they already are layered for you. I know I said layered, but like, I didn't know they were like actually layered for you. I thought it was just like a piece that was printed. So that's great. You could just stick this onto a project and you already have some layering done. We have some washi tape. I could definitely use some of this year. I'll put this away in my washi tape stash. I usually only use probably Christmassy ones because those are the cards that I actually mail out every year, and I like to just decorate the envelope with the washi tape. So I use that. Simple Vintage Dear Santa rub-ons. So I have never used rub-ons before. I've seen people love rub-ons. I think they would go great on junk journals also. So I definitely want to give these a try. I don't know what I would use them for, but I want to give them a try. And then we have some papers from the collection. So there's this one. Oh, this isn't too vintagey. I mean, the elements, the Santa is vintagey, but he's cute. He's not like a creepy Santa, so he's cute. We got 3x4 cut aparts. This isn't actually as vintagey as I thought it was. We got tags. I love those. I love like the patterns on the back. Like this kind of looks like a library piece, or maybe this one. A little grid. You have blank lines. I like that. We got this one, and here's the back. It says Merry and Bright. Got this one with more florals on the back as well. This large one, which I'll probably use the back side, or I could always like fussy cut this piece and turn this into a pocket right here and then use the back side for something else. But there's ways to do that. So if I want to use this side for something, I'll make sure probably to cut here first rather than this piece, and I'll try to have this as a leftover scrap so I can use that as a pocket somewhere. We've got these cut aparts, or you don't have to use them as cut aparts. You could use the back side, and this actually matches the rub-ons. Then you have this one. You could use different patterns here if you want to include them. You could make little pockets out of these. It has like the false stitching around it, kind of like a quilted piece. That looks cool. And the back side. And then I got this one. This one also you could turn into like a larger pocket, or cut that out and make that like your front cover. Here's the back. Then we got this one. Same thing here. You can make this a pocket or a front cover element. And the back side, not sure how a tape measure really fits, but it's okay. Simple Stories will let it slide. We'll use the other side. And then there's this one with a plaid on the back, and you get the sticker sheet, and these are awesome. And I love how they have like the little words down here. I love that. So that is the Simple Story Simple Vintage Dear Santa collection, and that was in my mystery box from Country Craft Creations. Then next up we got some Fall Fever paper. This is from Echo Park. There is a lot in here, and it looks like there's also some solids. All right, so here we have the frames and tags from the Fall Fever collection. You get all of these. You have the chipboard. You have the sticker sheet. We have a bunch, or I guess some solids. This is the Fall Fever. Oh, this is interesting. So this is Fall Fever. Then here we have the Fall Fun collection by Carta Bella. So this is mixed together. So you get a sunflower, you get this green. On the other side, I wonder if you get 2 of each. Yep, looks like it. This one's another paper, plaid and leaves and acorns. Here you have 4x6 cut aparts, and the back side is like the wreath. 3x4 cut aparts, and a plaid on the back side. Why do they make the beautiful paper on the back of the cut aparts that I'm gonna use? I love the plaid. Leaves and acorns again, and then the back side are these like leafy elements. Then we have, oh, we got 3, no, that's a different one now. Oh, okay, hold on. This one is just leaves, and the back side we got 1 of those. This one's another double here. So you got like this lantern and sunflowers and a plaid. You've got the, oh, these are multi-journaling cards, so you get some 3x4s. This looks like a 3x5, a 4x4, 3x4, have no idea, maybe a 1x3, 2x2s, so different sizes. And then you also get the back side of that is another plaid. See what I mean? Cut aparts and then plaid on the back side. Why? You get this one, it says pumpkin plaid. So, okay, you get this plaid pattern on the other side. This is another paper. We've got this one, so greenery, and you get 1 of this one, and flowers on the back. Wait, didn't I have that as like the first page somewhere? Or was it different? No. Okay, the other one was sunflowers and polka dots. Okay, so there's 1 of these, 2 of these. So you have the plaid. Ooh, I love these pumpkins. Look how cute. I love that. And then you get some Fall Fun solids. So it's green and blue. Then you have yellow and orange. I only get 1 of these. Oh, I got 2 of the green and blue. Guess we'll have to use it for the green side. 1 of these, the yellow and orange, which I would have used more of, and I probably would have used more of the brown and red, but it's okay. I understand that people do mystery boxes because they're probably just trying to get rid of stuff, so they have to kind of make the boxes work with whatever they have. So there's that. That is awesome. Like, so it's like the Fall Fun collection for the most part, with elements from the Fall Fever collection by Echo Park that you can decorate with. So we got that as well. Put that aside. Then next up we have, okay, we have another Echo Park collection, but I'm not sure. Ooh. Okay. Okay, hold on. We got this Ladybug collection. All right, let's see this one. So this one we have some ephemera. This is from the Little Ladybug collection by Echo Park. And here's all the ephemera that you get. Then we also got some stamps. And then we have the coordinating solids that go with that paper pack. So red and yellow. Then you have green and black. Then a lighter green and like a minty blue. And then you have the actual paper from the collection. So you get, I think, one of each. So this is a plaid here with the ladybug on the back, stripes, and strawberries. Then green stripes and flowers. The green plaid and journal cards. Black plaid and ladybugs. Polka dots and ladybugs and flowers. Red and black polka dots now with flowers and some ladybugs. More flowers, these are daisies, and more daisies. Then you get this like minty bluish greenish plaid with the ladybugs on the back with the coordinating like flower color. A floral sheet here. And the back is 4x6 cut aparts. And then you also get the sticker sheet. Okay, so that's another fun one. I've got a lot. I mean, I think the Echo Park ones, you get more like collection kits, but this one has like more of kind of like each thing and the elements that go with it. So it's kind of more, they kind of go more together in a way, because Echo Park, you might get like one collection, but then you might have dies from some other collection that you don't have. So this one, they kind of coordinate it by collection. So you have pieces that go with the collection, whether it's solids, ephemera, chipboard, or the stamps, or whatever it is. And you definitely get more, and I love being able to have solids to go with this, so that is awesome. All right, so the last one I have in here is the Echo Park A Birthday Wish. This looks like it's probably for a girl. Yeah, a birthday wish girl. And so this is the frames and tags. So you get all these. You get the sticker sheet. Beautiful. This is going to be so fun to craft with. I like this collection. And I think this is upside down. All right, so we have sprinkles here, and then the back side. Oh, this has cut aparts. But I like the sprinkles paper too. Then we have this like confetti streamers, and the back side. Ooh, we got vertical cut aparts. You don't get vertical cut aparts often. They're usually horizontal for the 4x6. So this is awesome. And especially because it's all vertical. Like you never see that. That's fantastic. Then you get this one. This is like little stars, and I like how it's like more toned down and muted. And then, ooh, that goes together nicely. That's the back side. Then you've got like this plaid design here. Wait, I have 3 of these. Okay, that's awesome. And a balloon on the back. That might have been a mistake because I couldn't even get it separated. but, oh wait, but there's 3 of this one too. So there's this minty kind of polka dots, and then the back side is cake. So I got 3 of those also. Then I have 2 of this one. So presents on the back side. I have 1 of these, so red polka dots and candles on the back. 1 of these, green polka dots, or I guess green background, white polka dots with streamers and candles on the back. 1 of these, like this pattern here, and that's a cute paper on the back. Then we got colorful stars, and then you have journal cards on the back side. So I have 2 of those actually. And then this is 1 of this one, orange stars and party hats. And then we have some solids. So I have 2 of these, which is mint on one side, pink on the other. 2 of this, orange and teal. Oh, we got 3 of those actually. Then 2 of this one, so pink, and then green on the other side. So yeah, that is an awesome mystery box. And now I have collections that actually I didn't have any of these. I don't even think I had Fall Fun. I had the Fall Fever, but I don't think I had the Fall Fun. I don't think I have this one. The little Ladybug one I think I got in a retreat that I still have yet to make the projects for. So that'll be good to have another one in my stash. But yeah, these are awesome. So I highly recommend getting these boxes when they have them. I know I posted on my Instagram, but I know not all of you are on my Instagram page. But they go fast, so I didn't feel like I should post in the community tab. But if next time you guys want me to post in the community tab here on YouTube as well, let me know if that's something that would be beneficial for you. But I'm happy with this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and seeing all the fun new papers I have to craft with. I love this pumpkin. I really, really do. I love that paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. And yeah, we'll be crafting again. I do have some other projects that I made that I got to share with you guys. I just got to film the videos. And then I have some tutorials I got to work on. So we will be busy. I feel like the summer is always kind of hard for me to stay on track with videos. And I noticed that last year too. And I think it's just because 1, it's warm. 2, I finally have time off. So I want to do all the things. I'm gardening, and then I'm also food preserving, like all of the food that grows in from my garden. I do a lot of food preservation, so it's just been a busy summer, but we will be making lots more, and I can't wait to share everything with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.